Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to show you how to play Bite Me on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. Alright, to play this song you won't need a capo. You're going to need 4 chords primarily. It's a pop punk song, so it's just 4 chords, and they're going to be power chords. The first power chord you're going to need is 8, 10, 10. So it's your pointer on the E string on the 8th fret, and then ring and pinky on the next 2 on 10. That's your first one, and you're going to slide that down to 4, 6, 6. So pointer on the 4th fret, and then 6, 6. Then you're going to move that same shape up to X, 6, 8, 8. And then the last chord, you're going to just move that shape down to 6, 8, 8. So yeah, altogether the chorus will be. Those are the 4 chords for the chorus. The verses, you're just going to go between 8, 10, 10, and 4, 6, 6. Going to go between those.